the figure below is made up of a square and a rectangle. The area of the square is 5/6 the area of the rectangle. The area of the unshaded part of the square is 7 out of 9 the area of the unshaded part of the rectangle. And the shaded area is 30 cm square. What is the length of the square? Some of you might be wondering, do I need to use algebra? Do I need to use simultaneous equation? Do I need to use units and parts? Well, you can, but actually there's a much simpler way. In fact, this is a ratio question. In particular, constant difference. Before I start explaining why is it a ratio, constant difference kind of questions, let me just highlight. The area of the square is 5 and the area of the rectangle will be 6. Area of the unshaded part of the square will be 7 and the area of the unshaded part of the rectangle will be 9. Given that this is 5 units and this is 6 units, what is the difference between their area? Obviously, it's 1. After that, they mention, imagine they remove the shaded part from each of the shape and then they compare the area. It is 7:9. You think about it. If the difference between them originally is 1 unit and you remove the same area, in this case the shaded area, from both shapes, then the difference between them should stay the same. Hence, isn't this a constant difference question? In the first case, the difference is 1, and in the second case, the difference is 2. What we are going to do is to change 5 out of 6 into its equivalent fraction of 10:12. Why? In this case, we would get a difference of 2 units. Matching the second case, which also have a difference of 2 units. Hence, given that at the beginning, the square has an area of 10 units, after that, it becomes 7. Why? Due to the removal of the shaded part. So the 3 units, the drop in 3 units from 10 to 7 must be equal to 30 cm square. We can double check using the rectangle. If there's a drop of 3 units, the rectangle should also have a drop in 3 units from 12 to 9. And it fits the story. Now we can write out 3 units must be equal to the 30 cm square. From here, 1 unit is 30 cm square divided by 3 to give you 10. And given that the area of the square is 10 units in total, therefore, area of the square will be 10 times 10. Finally, in order to figure out the length, there are only 2 similar numbers when you multiply them together to give you 100, and we all know that it is. Okay, we're going to write back 10 again. The numbers are very nice, but it's okay. Last step, length of the square is